The strike by Russian cruise missiles on the dock site in the Black Sea port of Odessa on Saturday provoked global outrage as it came only hours after Russia and Ukraine agreed a deal to allow the passage of Ukrainian grain. Russia's defense ministry said that the strikes had destroyed a Ukrainian military vessel and arms delivered by Washington, although this has not been independently verified. But the UK's Ministry of Defence said that Russia will try to target Ukraine's anti-ship capabilities because it views them as hampering its Black Sea fleet. However, Moscow's attempts are being held back by old intelligence and poor planning, according to the British. On Tuesday, British defense officials said that Moscow almost certainly views Ukrainian anti-ship missiles as a key threat which is limiting the effectiveness of their Black Sea fleet. This has significantly undermined the overall invasion plan, as Russia cannot realistically attempt an amphibious assault to seize Odessa, the UK Ministry of Defence said in its daily assessment. It added that Russia will continue to prioritize efforts to degrade and destroy Ukraine's anti-ship capability, although its ability to hit such targets is likely routinely undermined by dated intelligence, poor planning, and a top-down approach to operations. Although Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said the strikes on Odessa showed Moscow could not be trusted to keep its promises, Ukraine's infrastructure minister Oleksandr Kubrakov said that the first vessels with grain could leave its Black Sea ports within days, as long as the sides guarantee security. It is hoped that the UN-brokered deal, of which Turkey was one of the guarantors, will ease food shortages and price rises, especially in Africa. Around 20 million tons of grain are estimated to be stranded, blamed by Kyiv on Russia blocking the ports. Meanwhile, a fire broke out overnight Monday at an oil depot in the Moscow-backed separatist-held city of Donetsk in eastern Ukraine, according to Russian news agencies. Ukraine has destroyed a number of ammunition and fuel depots within Russian-held territory, thanks to US-supplied weapons, such as the high-mobility artillery rocket system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.